Hi, we have a Maytag Series 2000 front-loading washing machine. Can't find the manual. It is showing the code LF. What does that mean and what can I do? Thanks.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. LF means long fill. Maytag uses a flow meter that detects the flow of water entering the washer. If this flow meter does not detect the correct amount of water entering the washer, it will sound the LF error code. Often this repair can be made without calling an appliance repairman and without ordering parts. Start by removing the washer fill hoses, both the cold and the hot water hoses. Check for proper water pressure from the house. To do so, turn the water on and put the hose inside the washer or a bucket. If water pressure is good, check the water valve inlet screens. Most residential washing machines have inlet screens. The screens prevent minerals from clogging the solenoid. With the hoses removed, you can visually inspect the water inlet screens. If the water valve screens are clear, the inlet valve with the screens itself will need to be replaced. To replace the water valve, remove the top of the washing machine. 3 screws hold the top down. The screws that hold the top down are on the back of the top panel. Once removed, the top will slide back and off. Now remove the wire harness that connects to the valve. 1 screw holds the valve to the washer's cabinet. Removing the screw and sliding the valve over will release the valve from the back panel, enabling you to complete your repair. One last thing to check is the fill hoses. These front-load washers call for a lot of water quickly. So if you have stainless steel braided flood-safe hoses, they will trip for no reason at all. Replace these flood-safe hoses with more traditional hoses. If the hoses are good and you haven't found anything slowing down the flow of the water, your electronic inlet water valve is just faulty on the back of your washer and will need to be replaced because it's just not allowing water flow into the washer correctly.
Where are the screens? And it seems to be leaking into the tray a bit.
The screens are attached to the valves. If you disconnect the fill hoses from the back of the washer, you'll see the screens inside the nozzles that the fill hoses from your house connect to on the back of your washer. As far as leaking into the tray, that sounds like your valve is just going bad and not sealing up either, so you'd need to replace the valve to fix that issue, and most likely that would fix your LF error as well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.